So we purchased this slats, 3-inch vertical blinds, and we needed a lot of small ones of this size. So we asked them to cut it for us, and we needed to make holes. So our method is to grab an old one and mark the spot that you need. And after marking the spot, we're gonna grab this metal plate that has about the same size of this hole. Where is it? And then we're gonna use a drill to make the hole by holding this against the slats. So here we go. Okay, so we put the slats down. Make sure you have a drill that fits into this hole. And then we put them down. Make sure you have a hole under for the drill to go through, for the drill bit to go through. And then set it up, hold it down. Can you hold it from me on that side? Your 2 fingers. Don't cut your friend's fingers. Hold it down hard and then start going side to side. Okay, so now we have part of the hole made already, and it's in the right location, right? Now we just put it back on, make sure it's centered, and now we're just gonna go back and forth to make it a little bit elongated. Ready? Hold it down, please. And it's not perfect, but it's the best we can do.